There's this particular auto tune that I will never stop using it. Guys, if you are having this auto tune, what I want you to do is to sit back and watch this video, and right after this you're gonna come in conclusion with me that this is one of the best auto tune plugins. All right, let's check this auto tune right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button, let me know where you are watching me from, and anything you got for me, leave it in the comment section. All right, so guys, we are in Cubase 5 now. This is a simple track that we're gonna use, and over here I have a compressor. Everything is default, stock plugins, then the noiser, the gate, super simple, the stereo enhancer, then a reverb. All right, so guys, it's time for me to introduce this special auto tune to you. Okay, so let's go to the track, and this is the auto tune I'm talking about. Auto tune 8.1, though it is one of the oldest version of auto tune, but guys, I really love this auto tune. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to bypass this one, then we're gonna enable a new one over here. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to use auto tune the best way. If you are having this particular auto tune, I'm gonna show you how to use this one. So make sure you know the key of your song, I mean the project that you are working on. This guy here, guys, is simple to use. So this is the key section where you can actually browse through the right key of your song or beat. So the key for this particular song is C sharp, so I'm gonna choose that, and the scale is minor. Any auto tune, you need to know your key and your scale. Super simple. And with this particular auto tune, you can actually turn on the low latency mode, and this is gonna save more CPU. Next thing is the routine speed. If you watch here, this is simple to dial in. The more you crank it all the way up, the more auto tune you are doing. Okay, so let's listen to this in content with our vocals. Listen once I push the routine speed all the way from 400 to 0. Listen.
Now, everybody know him and I love in sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat. No matter what go on, come me go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fat. In sauce be the best.
So I'm gonna bypass the beat. Listen to this once again. I really love this auto tune. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here.
So yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central presec. AP Bontia, tell them, in sauce, with the rep come many things.
Alright, so this is the routine speed, and make sure you don't go crazy. If you are new to auto tune, I have a full video taking you through step by step, and you can also learn from this particular video. Now, so I'm gonna give it about 11. The next knob is the humanize knob. The more we push the routine speed all the way up, the more robotic we're gonna sound. All right, so we want to add realism to our vocals, and that's why we add a little bit humanize over here. So now listen.
Say na in sauce, my school be good, tell me no be bad. In this life me a truth and no lie. AP bounty man a rep in sauce. Listen now, everybody know him and I love in sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat.
Alright, so that's super simple to dial in, and you can even add natural vibrato over here. Listen.
No matter what go on, come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fat. In sauce be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central presec.
And one thing I really love about this auto tune is the correction style.
AP Bontia, tell them, in sauce, with the rep come many things. In sauce, my school be good.
And you can actually hear the auto tune had been reduced because we have pushed this from classic all the way to mono. So this is the vocal effect alone, nothing from the auto tune. So let's push it about 15 or 16.
Be good, tell them me no be bad. In this life, me a truth and no lie. Pure bounty, man a rep inside.
So you can actually see that the interface is clean. If you want to dial in something, all you need to do is to use your mouse and push it or drag it all the way down. The next is the input type. You can choose soprano, auto, tenor, low, middle. All right. Now, guys, if you come to this section, the create vibrator, most of the producers ignore this portion over here, but you can actually add some taste to your vocals. All right, so what you're gonna do is to play around with this. Make sure you are using good headset and monitors so that you can actually hear what we are doing. Okay, so when you click here, you can actually select one of these. I'm gonna start with a sine wave, and this is the speed at which your vibrator repeats. All right, so if you add vibrato, let's add a little bit vibrato over here.
Listen now, everybody know I'm man a loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat. No matter what go on come you go pass.
So I'm going to show you what you can actually do with this create vibrator section over here. You can actually push everything down like this, and you're going to get this T-pain effect. Listen.
Action we don't joke, that be the fat. Insas be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central presec, AP bounty.
And this is one of the settings that I mostly do when I'm mixing hip-hop, trap song. All right, so when I push everything to 0, 0, then I'll even choose no vibrator. All right, and this is gonna create more of the T-pain effect. So everything over here is about vibrator. All right, if you wanna play with the pitch amount, you can do more things over here.
Yeah, tell them insas with the rep come many things in a insas. My school be good, tell them me no be bad. In this life me a truth and no lie. Pure bounty man.
Now you heard the difference, so listen.
Man a rep insas. Listen now, everybody know I'm man a loving sauce. Enemies me tell them say bomba clat. No matter what go on come you go pass. Action we don't joke, that be the fat. Insas be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central presec. AP bounty tell.
Alright, so if you want to create vibrator, you can actually play around this section over here. Super simple, guys. And you can even target notes that you want and even learn skills. Super simple over here. Know that you're gonna target.
Tell them insas with the rep come many things in a insas.
And if you want to bypass a note, you can actually bypass the note over here. So you can see.
My school be good, tell them me no be bad.
And if you want to remove a note, just come to this part, remove. All right,
bad in this life me a truth and no lie.
Super crazy. I really love this particular auto tune. It's simple to use. Now let's add it in content with the beat. Okay, so we're gonna bypass this once again. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. All right, I really love this, so let's go for it once again. So the key for this is C sharp minor. I'm gonna choose low middle and push the routine speed to this. And guys, I mostly play with these two knobs, that's all. Now turn on the low latency. Listen.
Pass action we don't joke, that be the fat. Insas be the best, so yeah, to the gang them off, you know, so we be central presec. AP bounty tell them insas with the rep.
This is one of the best auto-tune plugins, though it's an old version of auto-tune, but I still give respect to this particular auto-tune plugin. Let me know what you think about this auto-tune plugin in the comment section. How do you mix your song in Cubase step by step? Watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.